Throughout the history, humanity has sought meaning and connection through faith and spirituality. These beliefs have profoundly shaped society, culture, and individual identity. Yet the scientific exploration of this fundamental aspect of human experience has been surprisingly limited. Today we will stand at the frontier of a new field, the neuroscience of religion. We seek to understand the neural underpinning of the religious and spiritual experiences. A recent analysis revealed a striking absence of a study focused on the critical area despite the vast majority of the people worldwide identify with some form of the faith. This lack of understanding stands in the stark contrast to the undeniable impact these beliefs have on our lives. Social science research has consistently shown that the religion and the spiritual practices can have a profound influence on human well-being, from improved mental health and the social cohesion to increased empathy and the altruism. However, it's crucial to maintain a balanced perspective. Throughout the history, religious beliefs have also been used to fuel conflict, division, and oppression. The neuroscience of religion does not seek to judge the validity of faith, but rather to explore the mechanism within our brain that give rise to these powerful experiences. The fundamental for this emerging field has meticulously laid by the scholars across various disciplines. Anthropologists have documented diverse spiritual practices across the culture, providing a rich tapestry of the human experiences. Psychologists have developed sophisticated tools to measure and define the mystical experiences, allowing for a more objective framework for scientific investigation. Modern brain imaging techniques have revolutionized our ability to observe the neural activity in real time, allowing us to witness what's happening inside the brain during religious and spiritual experiences. These techniques include fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging. So measures blood flow in the brain, offering clues about which area are most active during specific experiences. Second, PET, so positron emission tomography scans, tracking the use of radioactive tracer that bind to a specific neurochemical involved in the brain function. And the third one is the EEG, electroencephalography. So measures electrical activity directly from the scalp using electrode placed strategically on the head, allowing researchers to observe the timing and synchronization of brain waves during religious and spiritual experiences. Studies have shown that the religious and spiritual experiences involve the activation of multiple brain regions, not just isolated events. Interestingly, many of regions overlap with the area associated with the social, cognitive, and mindfulness meditation. For example, the temporal lobes, which play a crucial role in processing social clues and emotions, that are often activated during religious experiences. So several brain regions appear to be crucial for religious and spiritual experiences. First, the posterior cingulate cortex, that is PCC. These PCC associated with self-transcendence, the feeling of going beyond oneself and connecting with something larger. And the second is insula. This involves in processing emotion, bodily sensation, and self-awareness. And increasing activity in the insula during the religious experiences may contribute to feeling of awe, reverence, and the profound emotional connection. So the third is the prefrontal cortex that involved in higher order function like planning, decision making and self-awareness. Also shows increased activity during prayer and the meditation. The field is constantly evolving with exciting new frontier emerging. Recent studies have delved into the intriguing link between psychedelic substances and spiritual experiences. While they are still in their early stage, these studies suggest that certain psychedelics like psilocybin and the LSD can induce the experiences that participants describe as a profoundly spiritual, often leading to lasting changes in belief and behavior. Researchers are exploring the neural mechanism underlying these experiences, aiming to understand how these drugs interact with the brain circuits which associated with spirituality. And next is the virtual reality. So the virtual reality technology presents another groundbreaking approach. Recent experiments have shown that a carefully designed VR environment can induce the mystical types experiences in a significant portion of participants, even in the brief sensation. Researchers can manipulate this virtual world to explore the specific aspect of religious and the spiritual experiences, that offering a safe and controlled environment for investigation. Looking toward the future, emerging technology like artificial intelligence and advanced computational tools offer exciting possibilities. By analyzing brain activity patterns and the large-scale data sets related to spiritual experiences, and these tools could revolutionize our understanding of how the brain processes religious and spiritual concepts. The potential application of this neuroscience of religion are far-reaching, and these insights could inform the development of approach to pain management and addiction treatment. By understanding the neural basis of religious experiences, we may develop targeted intervention to harness the positive aspect of faith for therapeutic purposes. Additionally, understanding the mechanism of religious radicalization could prove crucial in fostering tolerance and promoting peace. Perhaps most importantly, this field could enhance our grasp of social cohesion and empathy. As we continue to explore this new frontier, we may not only gain a deeper scientific understanding but also cultivate a greater appreciation for the rich tapestry of the human belief and experiences. The neuroscience of religion offers a unique opportunity to bridge the gap between faith and science, potentially fostering greater understanding and dialogue between the different belief systems. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.